Hello guys, so today we have a question related to sequence and finding the sum of the sequence. So this is the question and it is saying that let this be a number and this r plus 2 digit number and this r digit are only 5. Where the first and the last digits are 7 and remaining r digits are 5. Okay. Consider the sum is equals to 77, 757, 7557 and this is some sort of a number in the sequence by changing the value of r. Here the value of r is 0, here the value of r is 1, like this. And we need to find the values of m and n, that are the natural number and they are less than 3000, so the value of m plus n. Here we are getting this number, like the sum is equals to this r number, you can say, plus m divided by n. So here we are getting that we cannot find the sum of this series by brute force or you can say hit and trial, but because this number is quite a big number, but if we denote this big number by a certain integral or summation, you can say, so there we can find the number. Like we are getting an example, like if a number is consist of only ones, okay, and here are, for simplicity we are taking r, so we have r ones and we need to represent this number in a understandable manner, okay, understandable manner. So how we are gonna do this? So for that, these numbers are in base of 10, okay. There are multiple number of bases, like base 2, base 3, base 4. Like in base 2 only 0 and 1 are there, okay. In base 3 0, 1 and 2 are there. In base 4 0, 1, 2, 3 are there. And like in base 10 0 to 9, these numbers are there. And so on, the base will increase, like the base 11 is also there, base 12 is also there, base 16 is also there, base 8 is also there, and they have a different name. And people are fighting over that which base is greater than, which base is more important than the other base. Like in computers, we usually use base 2, or usually is a strong word. I am saying that we most of the time use base 2. But for the human calculations, we consider base 10 as the best way to calculate by hand. Okay, and I am going to show by this example that this much big of a number we can write this number in a particular manner. Okay, so coming to this number is like this. Okay, I am writing down this number is, okay, it has r digits. So can I write down this number like this: 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000. Okay, like this number is, if we are taking consideration only these 4, so can we write this 1 as 1 plus 10 plus 100 and plus 1000. So what is this number? 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. This is 1 1 1 1. Okay, so we are representing this number in this way. Or can we represent this generalized number like this: 1 plus 10 raised to power 1 plus 10 raised to power 2 plus 10 raised to power 3, plus if we have 4 numbers, then we are taking the 3 power of 3, 10 raised to power of 3. But if we have r number, so we are taking r minus 1. 3 is 4 minus 1. Okay, so we can represent this number like this. Here r1s. Okay, so how we are gonna solve this? Okay, this is a GP, geometric progression, and we know the formula of its sum. Like what is this? This is like 1 10 raised to power n. How many terms are there? R terms. Minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So this is 10 raised to power r minus 1 divided by 9. So basically we represented this number like this. Now we are going to our main example. So our example is this: can we represent this number 7 5 5 5 5 and 7? There are r number of 5s and this is 2 7s. Okay, how do we represent like this? 7 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2. Okay, plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 plus. Now at the end what we will write? 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power what? This is one number. Okay, and this is r plus 1 number. Okay, so for first number we are taking 10 raised to power 0, for the second number we are taking 10 raised to power 1. So for r plus 1th number we are taking 10 raised to power r plus 7 multiplied by 10 raised to power r plus 1. For r plus 2th number we are taking r plus 1 power. So this number can be represented in this way. So we are seeing that this is an GP. Okay, geometric progression. Okay, this is good. What is the formula of GP? We will apply here. What is this? There are, how many terms are there? R terms. Okay, first term is 5. R terms 10 raised to power r minus 1 divided by 5. We gonna common out 5. Okay, you can say like, if we take the ratio of these first and second number, then it is going to be 10. Third and fourth, it is going to be 10. Okay, so the first A is like 5. This is first number. Okay, multiplied by ratio is 10. 10 raised to power r numbers is there, minus 1. Divided by r is 10. 10 minus 1. Okay, So we represented this whole number like this, and by putting the different values of r we can identify this number. Plus what is this? 7 raised to 10 raised to power 0 is 1, okay, plus 7 multiplied by 10 raised to power r plus 1. Okay, sure. So if we simplify this expression, we are going to get 50 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power r minus 1 plus 7 plus, can we write this as 70 multiplied by 10 raised to power r? So we can combine this 10 raised to power r or put this number in a much of a simplified manner. Okay, yes, we can. 50 divided by 9 plus 70. Okay, 10 raised to power r minus 50 by 9 plus 7. Okay, so what is this number? 50 plus 70 multiplied by 9 divided by 9 is going to be 50 plus 630 divided by 9 is equals to 680 divided by 9. And what is for this number? Minus of 50 plus 63 divided by 9. And this is going to be 13. Yeah, 13 divided by 9. Okay, sure. So can we say that this number is 680 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power r plus 13 by 9. And what is this number? 5557. They are r number of 5s. So we represented this number in this manner. Now what is the question saying? Question is saying that we need to sum up these. So here what is the value of r is? Value is 0, r's value is 1, r's value is 98. Okay. So we need to find the sum. Sum is like this: 77 plus 757 plus 7557 plus 755, 98 times 5. Okay. So here we will put r equals to 0. So what is this? 680 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0 plus 13 by 9. Okay. Plus 680 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1. Okay. Plus 13 by 9. Same thing is gonna happen. 680 divided by 9, 10 raised to power what? Value of r is 98 plus 13 by 9. So how many times this 13 by 9 is coming? Like it is starting from 0 and going till 98. So number of terms are 99, you can say. Okay. So this 13 by 9 is coming out to be 99 times. Okay. Every time we need to add 13 by 9 and it is going till 99 terms. Sure. And for the other terms, can we take out 680 by 9 common? Yes, we can. 680 divided by 9 comes out to be here. And this is 10 raised to power 0 plus 10 raised to power again it is a GP. 10 raised to power 98. This plus sign is here. So we can calculate this one also. So this is 680 divided by 9 and this summation is a sum of a GP. First term is 1 multiplied by, what is the sum of a GP? Like the GP is like this. Okay. N plus 1 terms are here. So the first term by r. minus 1. So how we find the sum of this? 1 multiplied by, now there are n plus 1 terms, n plus 1 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So it is kind of a formula. A is the first term, r is ratio of the two consecutive terms. Okay, so 1 multiplied by, there are 99 terms. Okay, minus 1 divided by 10 minus 9. Is it correct? No, sorry. 10 minus 1. Okay, sure. Plus 13 multiplied by 11. Can we say this? Yes, sure, we can. So this number is 680 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 99 minus 1 divided by 9 plus 13 multiplied by 11. So we much of a simplified this big expression of s in a smaller value like this. Okay, now what is the question saying? Now we need to find this number also. Like, this is a pretty big number, but we examined, or we calculated, we derived a formula for this kind of number. We just need to put the value of r equals to 99 and we will get that number. Okay, so this number is like this. Okay, if we put r equals to 99, then this is our number. Our number is what? 680 by 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 99 plus 13 divided by 9. This is our number. Sum is equals to 7557 times, this is 99 plus m divided by n. Okay, so what is our number? 680 divided by 9, here 9 also, and 10 raised to power 99 minus 1. Okay, plus 13 multiplied by 11. Okay, sure, it is equals to 680 divided by 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 99 plus 13 by 9. Okay, divided by plus m divided by n. Okay, so can we multiply this n in right side? Okay, yeah, sure, we can. So this is 680 by 81, can we say? 10 raised to power 99 minus 1, here the n is here, plus n multiplied by 13 multiplied by 11. This is 680 by 9, 10 raised to power 99 plus 13 by 9 plus m. We are gonna do this question very carefully. Okay, so now can we multiply the whole expression by 9, or we can we cancel out the 9 in the denominator? Yes, we can. And multiplied by 680 divided by 9, 10 raised to power 99 minus 1 plus n multiplied by 9 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 11. This is equals to 680 times 10 raised to power 99 plus 13 plus 9m. Okay, so this is 680 multiplied by 10 raised to power 99 minus 1, and this is 680 multiplied by 10 raised to power 99. So can we get the similar expression on both of sides, so that we can cancel out this bigger number and left with these small numbers to do the calculations for the number m? Okay, if we put the value of n equals to 9, so this is some sort of a similar. So we are going to put n equals to 9 because n is less than 3000. So 9 is also less than 3000. Okay, so this is 680 multiplied by 10 raised to power 99 minus 1 plus what we are gonna get? n is 99, so 81 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 11. This is 680 and this is 10 raised to power 99. If we do minus 1, so we need to add 680 here on the outside, plus 13 plus 9m, and now these two expression is cancelled out. Yeah, this is good. So this is, we need to multiply these three numbers. This is going to be, let's write this down. This number is 81 multiplied by 11 is going to be 198. 891. 891 multiplied by 13 is 372. Or we can say we need to multiply these numbers. So can I just write it down, these numbers after multiplication? Yes I can. This is 81 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 11. This is going to be sorry, I forgot to put the pen. 11583 is equals to 693. What is this? 6? Is it 693 or what? 693 plus 9m. So m is equals to 11583 minus 693 divided by 9. So this is what going to be 11583 and 693. 0, 9 and 7, 8, and this is 0, 1. So 10890 divided by 9. This number is going to be 1210. So value of m is 1210 and the value of n is 9. So can we say that m plus n equals to 1219? This is the answer of this question. So basically what we have done, we just use a simplified formula for a very large number. We can do this like if we need to find 13 factorial divided by 12 factorial. So for that we are not gonna find the 13 factorial. We are not gonna find the 12 factorial. These are the large numbers. So what we are going to do, we know the definition of these factorials. We can write this 13 multiplied by 12 factorial divided by 12 factorial. And these two 12 factorials are equal. So the answer is 13 here. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you have learned something from this. Keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind.